Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. These are the two orders that I got from peachycheap.com, and I wrote it down here so that you could write it down. If you go to their website and sign up for their newsletter, you get this great deal. You get a deal a day, and it's the only deal they have. If you go to their website, they're only going to have one deal. And it's, well, they have more than one deal, but they have a deal in either card making or journal making or ephemera stuff, or they have, and they have a deal on die cuts and die cut die, and then there's also a planner and what are those books called? You know, the journals, the little journals where you do the whole month, you know, and you put a dot journal. Is that what they're called? Anyway, I don't know because I don't do them. So anyway, so it's called peachycheap.com. Sign up for the newsletter, and then you can get deals like this. So now I purchased these. These are not something that was sent to me for free to promote this website. But I just thought I would show you these things, and then you could see what a good deal you could get. Now, this package, everything in here total was $14.95. Now, $14.95 each, just $14.95. Okay, you ready to see? Okay, so the first thing are these flowers. This is a flower thing that I got, packages, a package of flowers. These flowers. Let's see if I've got something so you can see the size. This is a large paper clip, so you can see the size of the flowers. So the biggest one is bigger. Oh, there's a butterfly there I never even noticed. A flutterby. That's a good deal. Okay. These flowers, so you can see they're about the size of a large paper clip. Now all of these together, and these are Prima, okay? These are so cute. I love these. Let's see, there's still more. These Prima flowers, so two of them are about the size of a large paper clip. I love these. These are beads that are in the center, little beads. And then these are roses. And finally, this package of little tiny flowers. There's 36 of them in here, and each one of these is about half the size of a large paper clip, so I would say maybe the size of a regular paper clip. So I got all of these Prima flowers. I love bringing you guys a bargain. So I got all 5 packs, or all 6 packs for $14.95 total. All right, the deal is only good for a day. Every day they send you a new deal. Okay, and since we're doing our Christmas in July, I ordered a Christmas kit. Now, this is, I'm not going to be able to use it for Christmas in July because obviously I've already got my Christmas in July book done and the tutorials are coming out. Or if you see this in early August, then you will know that we just had the Christmas in July at Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. You can see all the videos in the series that I did with my Christmas book, which I should have brought over here, under the Christmas in July 2022 project playlist. Okay, so I've got one more package, and this is my Christmas one. Let me see if I can do this in some sort of order. First, I got a 6x8 paper pad, 60-pound cardstock, 24 sheets total. So there's 6 patterns, and they're double-sided, and there's 4 of each paper. Love the buffalo check. See if I can do it back this way so you can see the backside patterns. Christmas trees, I love that, or pine trees. I love the pinstripe as well. These little flowers are cute, these little poinsettias. Okay, so I got that. I'm going to take that plastic thing off. Then I got this little bitty tinsel. Oops. And all of this is Cozy Christmas by Renee Looney. And in a minute I can tell you the actual brand, because one of them has it on there. Then, and this is one of my favorites, these buttons. Oops, there's a glare. Let's see if I can. There we go. They are so cute. They're so cute. The middle is shiny. This one's a reindeer. This one's a Santa. This one's a poinsettia. So those are large. You have 4, 8 mediums, and then I have 10 of the smaller ones, which are in the solid colors, which are like the dots when you buy a kit. Fancy Pants is what they're called. Fancy Pants is the brand name. Then I also got a set of ephemera. Let's see. This is an ephemera pack. It doesn't say how many are in here, but there are a ton. It doesn't, you can't really tell by looking at the package. Let me see if you can see how thick the package is. There's a bunch of them in there with a great big Santa on the front. $14.95 for all of this. Combined, not each. Then I got 2 flowers. I think these are roses. And then finally, I got a set of the dots, the enamel dots. See if you can see the colors better. There we go. All right, so that's what I got. I just wanted to show you so that you could find out about this really great deal at this really great website. And you might get tired of getting an email every day because some of the deals you're not going to want at all. But that's all right. You just delete that message and you just wait for the next day's deal, because if you keep track, you can get a really cool deal like this, or a really cool deal like all of these Prima flowers that I got in here. And once again, the website is peachycheap.com. Okay, well that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.